What's up guys, you're watching another video. So before we get into today's video, I want to let you guys know that tomorrow, April 9th, Saturday, we are doing a huge car meet with the homie Chris Borges. I know a lot of you guys want me to collab with him. He's another YouTuber, a good friend of mine. He has a sick ass wide body FRS, a brand new BRZ that he already slammed and bagged, which is freaking crazy. I need to get on his level, bro. His cars are way cleaner than mine. But I know a lot of you guys have been asking for us to collab and do a collab video. He just lives very far from me, but this weekend he's gonna be in town, so we thought it'd be a sick idea to throw a car meet together, host a car meet, bring our audiences together. I think it's gonna be a sick turnout. I cannot wait. Everyone pull up, everybody is welcome. Let's make this big. If you guys wanna come kick it with me, come kick it with Chris, kick it with all the homies. All the homies are coming. Jordan, David, even Hugo's coming to town, so you do not wanna miss this, guys. It's gonna be sick. We're doing the car meet tomorrow, Saturday, April 9th, and it's gonna be in Upland, California. We're doing it at my girlfriend Emily's family's restaurant. Emily's family owns a restaurant and bar. It's called Leo's Corner. I'm gonna leave all the information right here, but it's gonna be at 6 p.m. at Leo's Corner. Since it's at a restaurant, you guys can go inside, grab some food, grab some drinks. It's gonna be a cool little hangout meet. I'm excited to see what me and Chris could do. This is very last minute. It's like kind of like a pop-up meet, so hopefully it's a good turnout. But if this one turns out good, guys, maybe we'll do more events in the future. And guys, please be respectful of the spot. Be quiet, no revving. Just keep it very respectful and chill. Let's just have a good time. Let's not get kicked out by cops, please. Like I said, it's at my girlfriend Emily's restaurant. You guys can go inside, grab some food, grab some drinks, support the business. I would appreciate it so much. I know they would appreciate it. And shout out to them for letting us use their parking lot to throw this car event. I'm gonna leave updates on my Instagram. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram already, it's at FindingNick. I update you guys with everything on my Instagram stories. You guys will see all the information right there as well. But tomorrow, April 9th, we're doing the car meet. Me and Chris Borges. It's gonna be sick. You do not wanna miss it, bro. Come out, meet me, let's hang out. It's gonna be dope. I can't wait. As you guys see by this title on thumbnail, today is finally the day that we get tires for the GTR. As you guys know, we've been rocking the stock wheels for about, it's been a while. It's been a couple months now with the stock wheels. I hate it. I hate how it looks. They're not bad. Like, I get it. It's still a GTR, but the 18-inch wheel setup, the drag racing setup, just looks way different, bro. So much better. It looks so mean, and I just can't wait to throw those wheels back on. So we're gonna get these new tires. They're very freaking expensive, bro. The reason why I've been waiting to buy them is because they've been out of stock everywhere, like literally nationwide. I even hit up Mickey Thompson directly, and I cannot find a pair or a whole set of tires for my car. I guess the tire sizes that I need are super rare right now. They're probably on a boat somewhere in the middle of the ocean. Everything's backed up. It freaking sucks. But somehow this tire shop has 2 rear tires that I need, and I ordered 2 front tires online from somewhere else. The struggle, guys, to find these freaking tires in the correct sizes that I need. Rear tires, you guys will see, if you guys didn't see them before, they're 345, super freaking wide, bro. Like, probably the biggest tire I've ever seen personally. It's a huge tire, and I can't believe it fits on a GTR, but those are the ones that I need. I believe it's 345 in the rear and 275 in the front. So they're big ass tires. Mickey Thompson's drag radials. If you guys remember the vlog when I took off the old setup, you can see there was wires showing on the tires, so they're worn out. I needed new tires. That's why I threw on the stocks for a little bit. I didn't think I was gonna have to run the stocks for this long, but I guess we did. Also, now I can finally wrap the GTR. You guys don't understand how bad I want to wrap my car. You guys don't understand how hard it was to keep it a secret and not wrap my car. This new color is gonna look insane. I just didn't want to wrap my GTR and do a whole reveal with the stock wheels on, because the stock wheels are just ugly to me. If you guys notice, like the Formula Drift vlog and all these other vlogs of car shows, I haven't had my car in a car show in a long time, and I miss having like a show car, bro, or like something I could show like that. The GTR right now looks way too stock, so I think once we wrap it, put my wheels back on, it's gonna be so sick. And if you guys haven't noticed, everything I post on Instagram are like old photos or old videos, because I just haven't taken any photos of my GTR with the stock wheels. Once I wrap it and throw these wheels on, I'll be able to make way more content, shoot a lot more photos for Instagram. But yeah, guys, it's very expensive, so if you guys want, go cop the merch. Support the build, bro, because these tires, they're like $2,000 for just tires, guys. I can't even believe that. It's so expensive. But anyways, let's go get these tires. We're also gonna pick up the homie David, and we're gonna check out another F80 M3 that he's been looking at. If you guys remember the last vlog, he's actually been wanting to buy an F80 M3. Same with me, I kind of want one too. We're gonna go check it out. It looks really clean online. I'll show you guys that. Maybe go for a little test drive with the owner, and then go pick up my tires. Let's go. All right, we just made it over here to look at the car for David. As you guys can see, BMW F80, another one. Let's go look at it. Sounds nice, looks nice. Needs a car wash really bad, but clean. Why did none of these guys wash their cars? The two F80s that we've looked at, the guy doesn't wash the car before we look at it. If I was gonna start my GTR, I'd try to make it as clean as possible. Needs a full detail, which we'll be able to handle, but pretty clean. David wanted to come look at it today. Probably, if everything turns out pretty good with this one, he might be picking it up this weekend on Saturday in a couple days, so that'll be exciting. Dirty. That's the carbon roof.
It's not even, doesn't even look bad for being dirty to pound it.
Gets wore out quick.
Damn, it's the competition seats.
A lot of people have
Competition seat belts, competition seats with the holes. Sick, bro. I like the carbon roof too. It's clean, just needs a detail. That last one we looked at needed a lot of work, but this one, not too much, honestly. It's really clean, just needs a really good detail, like I said. I love the competition seats. There's holes in the seats, bro, like it's so sick. Carbon roof, competition seats, competition seat belts. It's nice. I think these are the competition wheels too, right? Which are probably gonna come off the car. I'm sure David wants to put some other wheels on it, but as of how it is right now, it's clean, bro. It's a nice little start. The new build. I want red interior if I get one, but the black is clean too. The only thing that I don't like about this one is that it's white, guys. And you guys know me, I like wrapping cars. So I would really try to find like a dark color, like a dark gray or a black, so I can rewrap the car any color I want, and you don't see the white showing.
It came with CarPlay, and it's plus you can see the heads-up display changes.
Oh, that's
as well.
tight.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Right here, I don't know if they explained to you before when you did your test drive. This right here, hey man.
It sounds good.
Like it?
Really cool.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm curious what it's gonna sound like with those resonated pipes because I like it. You see how it's kind of, it doesn't shift quite like an automatic, you know? And that's why I feel like this car is designed to either use the paddles or use this. Come to a good something. You feel how it's kicking on that shift? Because you're in 3, but like try that again. It'll feel different downshifted. See how it's a much smoother shift?
Yeah, that's just
So
like, yeah.
yeah, when you kick it in, it opens up a little more plus.
This thing's awesome. Yeah, this shit fucking moves.
Anyways, guys, we went for that little test drive. It drives super good, bro. It's honestly super clean. The guy obviously takes really good care of it. This is a good seller that I would buy the car from. Say with my GTR, it's an older guy. He probably didn't push it as crazy as like a younger guy would, like me. The way he talks about his car and stuff like that, you can tell he doesn't like drift it or do donuts or some reckless activities like I do in my cars. Older guy, just like the guy I bought my GTR off of. The car's all ceramic coated, it's taken care of. He even had the whole front end PPF, guys. PPF front bumper, PPF hood, fenders, mirrors, and even PPF the carbon fiber roof to protect the carbon fiber, which is awesome. Somebody that invests in PPFing their car, you can automatically tell that they want to take care of their car, and their car actually means a lot to them, so that's sick. They're just figuring out some other stuff, and hopefully tomorrow morning, David's gonna go pick this thing up and buy it. David's gonna be an owner of an F80, bro. Look how sick the headlights are. It's actually super clean, dude. I'm jealous. You like it or what?
It's nice.
It's super nice, honestly.
What do you think of it?
I like it. I would buy this one. I would buy this one because it's a little bit like my GTR situation. Like it's an older guy, bro.
Yeah, and it's older. Yeah, like
You know he takes care of it. It's not like me, bro, where I beat the shit out of the cars and stuff like that. And someone who spends money to PPF their car, like that's how you know he takes care of it, you know what I mean? Or he cares about his car.
that puts it as 4 layers of ceramic coating, bro. That's probably what your car has, to be honest with you.
I know. I would buy it just because like I know he didn't beat the shit out of it. It sounds pretty good, huh?
Yeah,
oh shit, E36? Or is that? It is E36, huh? What? Alright guys, we finally found the tires, bro. Look how big these shits are. They're huge. But shout out to Fast Guy Tires. They got Mickey Thompson here. If anyone needs them, there's 2 more left. Any GTR owners that run the same tire size, there's 2 more left. They're literally sold out everywhere, bro. I heard they're sold out like nationwide, dude.
Yeah.
So that's crazy. Shout out to them. They got us the tires. They also do a bunch of other stuff like Wilds tires. They have sick ass Mustangs. Mustangs everywhere. This Mustang's crazy.
That shit's I was like, nothing but eating.
The Shelby? You think I should walk my GTR?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't know.
Have to be
So many
fast.
Mustangs. Fuck, finally bought these tires. These tires are huge. Aren't they big?
Yeah, it's
Look how big that
they
shit
don't look
is.
that big on the car.
They
Oh,
don't,
yeah,
but
they
345, 35, guys. God damn. So yeah, guys, finally we got new tires for the GTR. We finally made it home. These are just the rears. I ordered the fronts online. That's what sucks, guys. They literally sold out everywhere, like I said. So luckily I found 2 of the front tire sizes online somewhere. I ordered those yesterday. Those should be coming in on Tuesday of next week. Cannot wait to see this car with the 18-inch wheels again. Damn, dude, I forgot how wide they are. That's literally 1, 2, maybe almost 3 hands, bro. Like, this is a big ass tire. They look huge, bro. It doesn't even look like it's gonna fit, but trust me, they fit. The wheel sizes that we have, I think we have 12-inch wheels. So these 345s fit them perfectly. We also have, which I don't want to show you guys the color, but this is the new roll for the GTR wrap. The new color is in here, guys. I want everyone to go down below and guess what color we're doing on the GTR. So excited, bro. This might be one of the craziest colors ever. Sad because I've seen a couple GTRs do it already, which I'm bummed about. I wanted to be the first one. We were gonna be the first one, but these stupid tires got delayed. As for the 350Z, a little update for that car. This is the wrap for that car. We still gotta put this on too. We're probably gonna end up wrapping the GTR first, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was gonna be first, but we had to do a lot more stuff on the Z that I needed to get done. We gotta throw the passenger seat in still, the NRG seat. Also got, which you guys will see in an upcoming video, might as well show you guys real quick. We got coilovers for the Z. I'll unbox them in the next video, but brand new coilovers, guys. Shout out to the guys at 58 Industries. Some sick coilovers that we're gonna throw in that car. If you guys remember, the coilovers that are on the Z right now are trash, bro. It does not drive good. It's way too low. And I don't even want to go through the hassle of trying to raise it up with those coilovers. So thankfully, we got a new set of coilovers that we're going to throw in the car. Brand new coilovers, brand new wheels, brand new exhaust. Soon, guys, very, very soon, this car is coming along. I know it's hard to see the vision right now, but I hope some of you guys can see the vision. Once we do the starter and raise it up, I can actually start daily driving it. As you guys can see, we have so much things to do on both cars. Even the E46, I gotta fix this freaking shit still too. Literally 3 project cars, bro. 3 project cars that are taking forever. And it's a lot of money trying to build 3 different project cars at once. So please be patient with me. I appreciate all the patience. I'm trying my best, guys, but it is a lot of money to build 3 different cars at once. This is not cheap. That is not cheap. This is not cheap. Also, a lot of people mentioned about the dirt bike. It's still here, guys. I know I need to clean this garage. This garage is a mess, bro. Like, it's literally destroyed. We got BMX bikes over there. It's sad, bro. Look, it's literally dusty, dude. I have not drove it or rode it. I need someone that could come and just help me torque down everything. Pretty much take apart the bike and put it back together, because I tried putting these wheels on, I did not put it on right. If one of you guys know how to work on bikes, you guys could pull up and help me take this bike apart and put it back together perfectly. Anyways, those are quick little updates on the vlogs. I'm sorry the content's been pretty slow. As you guys can see, there's a lot of things to do. It's just very time consuming and a lot of money, bro. So, but soon though, guys, things are gonna start getting done. And we also looked at David's car. I forgot. Hopefully he gets that car tomorrow. I really hope so. Before we end the video, I want to remind you guys that tomorrow, Saturday, April 9th, do not forget, the car meet is tomorrow. Me and Chris Borges are throwing a car meet together. It's gonna be big. I hope a lot of you guys come out. It's gonna be sick. Come meet us, come hang out with us, check out some cool cars, and yeah, it's gonna be lit. Like I said, I'll leave all the information right here of the location, the time, and all that stuff. I hope to see all of you guys there. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.